health is your top priority, Trava is just a minutes away from the Medical City South Luzon, Qualimed Santa Rosa, and Asian Hospital in Alabang. That means while you're abroad, your loved ones are never far from world-class medical care. Here, peace of mind is built into the master plan. As a medical professionals, you know prevention is better than cure. At Trava, your family lives above risk, elevated 50 to 62 meters above sea level and verified outside DENR hazard zone. This is a flood-free estate community ensuring long-term safety and value. Trava's estate lots are limited, only 550 to 750 square meter only. Once sold, there will be no more expansion. For a doctor planning for retirement or family succession, this is your chance to secure a rare legacy investment in the country's most prestigious address, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Trava is not just a land, it's a wellness sanctuary, a family retreat, and